Good morning, Tahmina Khan is here in Tkmaths is 1. In today's video, we will be solving a question on equation of circle, which is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics P1, and it comes under the topic of coordinate geometry. So let's have a discussion around the question, and after that I will show you the solution. If any one of you want to put the video on pause and want to try it yourself, you can, right? So let's just start discussing it. Equation of a curve is given to you. Equation of a circle is given to you, and equation of the line, which is basically passing through the circle. It is written here, the line intersects the circle at A and B, and the circle has a center C. Point C is not given here, so this information is hidden. Why? Because in the equation of the circle, if it is given in this form, you can straight away see the center of the circle. So what are those? So in case if you don't, if you cannot recall the general equation of circle, let me just tell you here quickly. Suppose x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square. So r tells you the radius, a and b gives you the center of the circle. So if I see here, it is x plus 1. So if you put it equals to 0 in your mind, it is minus 1. Similarly, y minus 2 is y2. So it means center of the circle has coordinates minus 1, comma 2. So you know this thing. Let me write it here. Center of the circle has point minus 1 and 2. I hope you understood till here. Okay, so first part of the question, let me just erase all this extra thing. Okay, so first part of the question is saying find the coordinates A and B. So I think it's simple. Everybody knows when line and curve or two lines are intersecting and we have to find those intersection point, we solve simultaneously. Absolutely right. So for part A, for part 1, to find the coordinates of A and B, we will simply solve simultaneously. I have done here working, I'll show you, but we are discussing right now. And one more hint, for the solving simultaneously, this value of y you can plug in straight away here. Do not open it first. If you will open it, it will become little lengthy also. So it's better substitute here. Okay, first of all. Now part B of the question is saying find the equation of a circle. Now you have to find the equation of circle. Which circle? Which has the same center C, but this given line become the tangent to it rather than passing through it. So in other words, if I try to show it to you, what does it mean? Suppose this is a circle, right? Okay, so for example, this is but I don't want filled out, I want the simple one. This is all coming with the, so let me draw here simply. So for example, I draw a circle, which is not very perfect, which touches the line. I'm trying to make it bigger, okay? Okay, shoot. Something like this. So you have to find the equation of this circle for which the line AB is tangent. How will you find it out? No other information is given. What comes in your mind? I can give you a hint. Think of the property of a circle which says that a tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. So what hint, how come this hint helps you? C you have, but this point you don't have. Which point is this? It is this point which is touching. I don't know it is on the x-axis or not. I don't know right now. Okay, so let me give you here the explanation. The tangent and the radius are perpendicular at the point of contact. According to the property of a circle, a chord, because AB is forming a chord, right? Only AB. If you draw a line from the center of the circle to the chord such that it divides it into equal part, then it is always perpendicular to it. I'm repeating, if you draw a line from the center of the circle to the chord such that it divide the chord into two equal parts, then it must be 90 degree or perpendicular to it. So that's why we know this point will be the center point of AB, because we are saying it is forming what? Radius and tangent are meeting, right? So you can easily find out the midpoint of AB. Once you have that, apply the distance formula between C and M and you will get the radius. Point you already have. So let's see here. First of all, first part, to find the coordinates of A and B. I'm solving it simultaneously. You can see here, I have substituted here the value of y. In the original question, it was y here. Simple solving equation, I'm doing nothing else. So I got the factor x8 and x5. Question is saying find the coordinates of y. Coordinates of A and B mean x and y both. So I will plug this in the equation of the circle or equation of the line. Line is easy to calculate, so I'm plugging in here. So I got the 2 points. Because in the diagram the point A was coming afterwards, so I said A should be represented by bigger X. Okay. Now this part of the question, which I have just discussed with you, and I told you will find out the center point of AB first. Reason I have already explained to you. After that, once you know the center point, now you can find out what? The coordinates. I have done this here for you. You will apply distance formula and you will get it, right? And then writing equation of the circle will not be difficult at all. Why? Because you have A and B. Sorry. Okay, so you got the equation of the circle here. I hope you understood. Please press like and subscribe button. Take care. Allah Hafiz.